Welcome back to Budget Boss. My name is Gustavo, and today I tried the viral stuffed onion recipe, but we threw an Asian twist on it. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this, but before I do, make sure you guys like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so that way you know every single time we drop a new video. Let's get right into this onion bomb.
For the first part of this recipe, I am going to refer you guys to a link in the description below. It's going to be a recipe for cowboy candy, which is basically sliced jalapenos, garlic, and a couple other ingredients. We're going to chop up a half a cup of this cowboy candy. Once that's all chopped up, we're going to put it in a bowl where we put our pork mix. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger, and then I'm going to season it with my Pit Boss cowboy candy rub. Then we'll get 1.5 cups of your favorite Japanese or Korean barbecue sauce. We'll place it into the mixture, and then we'll place it into the fridge while we chop up our onions. When you're shopping for this recipe, make sure you grab the biggest white or yellow onions. Width-wise, on the onions, we're going to be wanting to cut them at about 1 inch. Then we're going to start popping out the inner layers of the onion. Remember, it's all about the layers. One that's relatively small, but not too small, so that way we can still fit pieces of bacon around to be able to wrap it. Alright, now that the onions are cut, we can start placing our pork mix inside of this ring. You're going to make sure that you want to keep it nice and compact in there, so that way everything cooks evenly and they don't fall apart after you're done cooking them. Make sure you take your time, because once this recipe is done, it looks beautiful. Alright, now we're going to move into the next step, which is actually wrapping these in bacon. Now I recommend using a thin cut bacon or even a regular cut bacon. What I don't recommend is using a thick cut bacon, because it's going to take a lot longer for these to render and get nice and crispy. Now you can either keep the bacon whole, or you can cut it in half so that way you can just patch it piece by piece. I found that it works a little bit better when you keep the bacon whole and just completely wrap it all the way around. If you need to use 2 pieces of bacon, that's totally okay. I know this does vary based on the size of the onions that you're using. Now that I got a second, I want to just let you guys know that we appreciate you for watching, for liking, for commenting, for being a part of the Pit Boss family. Alright, now that these onion rings are all put together, I'm going to season these with more Pit Boss cowboy butter on the top and on the bottom. Make sure you get both sides, make sure everything's nice, compact, put together, and then we'll get these onto the smoker. Today I'm going to be using my Pit Boss Sportsman 1100. We're going to make sure that the flame broiler is closed, and we're going to use that top rack for these onion rings. Now while those cook, we're going to put together our dipping sauce. 1 cup of mayo, 2 tablespoons of sriracha, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 lime, and minced garlic, and some salt to taste. Alright, now we're going to mix it all up till it's nice, one smooth texture. And then, like I said, we're going to just keep adding salt to taste. Once it has that right amount of salt, then we're good to go. If you don't have one of these are our Pit Boss squeeze bottles. You get 2 in a pack. I'll put that in the store below on the video. I'm going to fill that up with our dipping sauce. And you see how easy it comes out of that bottle? Perfect. Alright, now we're about an hour into our cook. We can see that the bacon is slowly starting to render. So while that continues to smoke, I'm going to actually baste it with our Japanese or Korean barbecue sauce. We're going to take our basting brush and we're just going to baste the top of them. We'll take our tongs and then we will flip all of these onion rings. Baste them once again with that Japanese barbecue sauce. Then we'll close up the smoker, let them smoke for another hour. Once we get around that 2-hour point, they'll start to look like this. That's how you know they're getting nice and crispy. Beautiful color on them. Now to finish them up, I am going to put them on the bottom rack. I'm going to open up the flame broiler just so that way I can get a nice char on the bacon. Make them really crispy. You don't want to have them under there for too long because it will burn. That direct flame is hot and it will blacken these onion rings. but just the right amount is perfect. I pull them off of the smoker, and then I'll place them into my plating. Make sure to be careful, don't burn yourself, this is very hot. We'll get more of our Japanese barbecue sauce and just place it on the top of it. We'll get some sesame seeds, garnish it with that. We'll get our dipping sauce, put that on top of them. Don't forget your green onion. These look absolutely amazing. Let me know in the comments if you guys are going to try this out, and then take a look at that on the inside. That pork is nice and cooked. You get that onion, it's nice and soft. The onion is no longer crunchy. You have that cowboy candy in there. Add yourself some Japanese barbecue sauce, some of that good dipping sauce that we made earlier. I mean, it really is a work of art. And if you watched this far, I want to say happy Halloween to everybody. You guys be safe out there. And I know if you're watching this, you're probably going to be handing out some candy tonight. So let's try to put this inside of their Halloween baskets.
There you guys have it. This is our stuffed onion, smoked on the Pit Boss, but we added an Asian twist to it. Let me know if you guys seen this viral recipe. Put in the comments what your twist would be on this recipe. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you click the link below so that way you can get the full recipe on pitbossgrills.com. I'm gonna make sure to feed the whole family with one of these. And if you guys are at your next tailgate, try this out. See what your friends think. They're gonna think that you're definitely a budget boss. All right, let me try this out, and then we'll finish up this episode, guys. All the right mixture of hot and savory and sweet. You guys gotta try this out, man. My name is Gustavo. This was another episode of Budget Boss. And always remember, everyone's gotta eat. I'll see you guys next time.